beloved audience, and honorable teachers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we all know, why we are gathered here, before me, many of the participants cleared it. Now, I have to focus on the special topic which is related with the teachers, violence. First of all, I congratulate to all of you from my bottom heart the day of teachers. And the teachers are the foundation of the country. If the foundation of a building is not strong, the next floor will not be strong. So we should think they are foundation and we are their floors. If they are strong, we will be strong, and through us, our country will be stronger. In the beginning, I would like to recite a quotation of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that is related to the values of education. He says, the past is waste paper, present is newspaper, and the future is question paper. So write and read carefully, otherwise your life will be a tissue paper. He gave this statement, and he mentioned total human life activities that many of the person think that what we did in the past. He gave that your past is like waste paper. We should not search what we did in the past, but in the front, which is going on continue, you have to focus on that. And he explained it as newspaper. As we all know, newspaper is very important, knowledgeable Wikipedia. If you read it continue, then your knowledge will be stronger day by day. And if you remember it, in the future, you will be examined, you will be tested, and you are explained by the Dr. APJ Kalam. Your future will be question paper. And you have prepared yourself in the present, in the continuous going on the period. Then in the future, you will be an able person to answer the all questions. So read and write, otherwise your life will be a tissue paper. Tissue paper, its mean أعني هو يكون لغو عن حياة الدنيا. That will be nothing for you. Your life will be useless, and no person will accept you as a great person. So make yourself a great person and decorate yourself with a different types of education by whom you can be a great personality person. This day is celebrated and dedicated to the second President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan. It's his contribution we can't forget. Nowadays, every person thinks that proud that contribution tried to take them, but he contributed his power, his values to the teachers. He can say that this day should be remembered as my birthday, but he did not did so. But he contributed, dedicated his birthday to the teachers. It's glorious and respectful to our teachers because they know the foundation and everything is dependent upon the teachers. After knowing me, if I did do so, then values will go with me. But if I contributed, if I dedicated, if I explained it, then in the future the education will grow day by day. I would like to focus why education is more and more important. Education is more important because when India went in the British colors, during Mughal dynasty, they ruled India over approximately 331 years. But as they completed 331 years, the British snatched Why they smashed India? What was the weakness? What was the problem? What was the situation? India went in the British colors from the Mughal dynasty. There was lackness of knowledge. They did not know. I mean, Mughal dynasty, Mughal rulers did not know how to manage, how to rule, how to administrate, how to handle the society problem. They did not know very well. When British came in India, they came only taking an intention to rule, to not rule in India, but as a trader, as a tajir, as a little bit trader. They came and entered India, but when they saw they are not well educated, they are not doing very well, then we can do, using our powers, using our self, we can control India, we can rule India. And in 1857, our revolution stood and they took India in their colors. When Indian thought, what is the mistake in ourselves? Why our lovely country went into the British colors? What is the weakness? Many of the person stood up and they thought that we are not well educated. And they are well educated, and if we want to take back India in your colors, then learn a lot of the education. Many of the person stood up and got a lot of the education, and they also tried many times, many contribution, many revolution, many fightings. At last, in 1947, India come back in the British colors. Then British were well educated, and nowadays the situation is going very bad. And its weakness also the lack of knowledge. If we want to remove all types of corruption, remove all types of problem, you have to be a great and well educated by taking support of your respective teachers. In the last, I would like to state a quotation, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He says, teaching by tongues can be perspired, but by good deeds can be stronger. And Alhamdulillah, I am finding all these good teachers in our respective teachers, in our glorious teachers. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में